In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send or schedule email every 30 days in Brevo. This is done with an automation. So once it is set up, Brevo can keep sending the same email on a repeating 30-day cycle without you needing to manually schedule each send. The key idea is simple. A contact enters the automation, waits 30 days, receives an email, and then gets sent back to the same 30-day delay, so the loop continues. Start by signing into your Brevo account and looking at the left sidebar. Click Automations. This is where you build workflows that run in the background based on triggers and actions. Next, click Create an Automation. Brevo will show you a few templates, but for a repeating schedule like this, you will want full control. Select Custom Automation. This opens a blank workflow canvas, where you can add your own trigger, delays, and email steps. Now you will add the entry point for your workflow. Click Add a Trigger. Then choose A Contact is added to a list. This means the automation begins when someone is added to the specific list you choose. Take a moment here to be intentional about which list you use, because every contact added to that list will start this 30-day cycle. After the trigger is in place, click Add a Delay and set it to 30 days. This delay is what spaces out the emails. It is important to use a delay, not a send time, because the delay is relative to when each contact entered the automation. Once the 30-day delay block is set, add your email step by clicking Send an Email. Choose or create the email you want Brevo to send. Make sure the content is appropriate for recurring delivery, since contacts will receive it every 30 days unless they leave the list or you stop the automation. To make it repeat, add the looping connection. Click Go to a step and select the 30 days delay block. This sends the contact back to the delay after the email is delivered, creating an ongoing 30-day cycle. Finally, review the flow one last time to confirm the order is trigger, 30-day delay, send email, then go to the 30-day delay again. When everything looks correct, click Activate. That covers everything you need to know.